Beyond transfers, a multi-currency account for a global world. While Wise initially gained popularity for its international money transfer services, it has evolved into a comprehensive multi-currency platform. The Wise account allows you to hold, manage, and convert money in over 50 different currencies, all in one place. This is incredibly convenient for frequent travelers, expats, freelancers working with international clients, and businesses with global operations. Imagine being able to receive payments in US dollars, British pounds, and euros without needing to open separate bank accounts in each country. With Wise, you get local bank details for multiple currencies, allowing you to receive money like a local, avoiding hefty international receiving fees. You can then easily convert these currencies within your Wise account at the real exchange rate whenever you need to, and spend them using the Wise debit card in over 200 countries. User-friendly interface, banking made simple. Traditional banking interfaces can often feel clunky, outdated, and difficult to navigate. Online banking portals can be confusing, and dealing with customer service can be a time-consuming and frustrating experience. Wise, on the other hand, boasts a sleek, intuitive, and user-friendly platform. Their website and mobile app are designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to send money, manage your balances, and track your transactions. Setting up an account is straightforward, and their customer support is generally responsive and helpful. This focus on user experience makes managing your international finances significantly less stressful. Security and regulation. Peace of mind for your money. While Wise is a relatively newer player compared to established banks, it operates under strict regulatory oversight in all the countries it serves. They employ robust security measures to protect your funds and personal information, utilizing encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring. As a regulated financial institution, Wise adheres to stringent compliance standards, providing users with peace of mind that their money is safe. Who benefits most from Wise? While anyone can benefit from Wise's transparent and cost-effective services, certain groups find it particularly advantageous. Individuals sending money abroad, for remittances to family, tuition fees, or gifts to friends overseas. Expats and digital nomads, for managing finances across multiple countries and currencies. Freelancers and businesses with international clients, for receiving and making payments in different currencies. Online sellers and e-commerce businesses, for handling international transactions and payouts. Frequent travelers, for convenient and cost-effective spending abroad with the Wise debit card.